Sally and Harry are good friends, but they are very different. Sally is fascinating, cheerful, easygoing, amusing, confident, and friendly. But Harry is shy and serious, sensitive, clever, and sometimes cross. So how did they become friends? Well, they met at a time when Sally was anxious and insecure about her schoolwork, and Harry helped her. He was reliable, interested, and generous with his time. He taught her to be brave and optimistic. In return, Sally taught Harry to be sociable and pleasant. He stopped being boring, rude, and selfish. What about you? Can you describe your character? We usually all have some positive qualities and some negative ones. Let's look at the positive ones first. It's generally positive to be amusing, brave, cheerful, confident, clever, easygoing, fascinating, friendly, reliable, generous, optimistic, interested, pleasant, sociable. It's considered negative to be anxious, boring, insecure, rude, cross, shy, selfish. What about sensitive and serious? Are they positive or negative?